Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. Pretty sure my Instant Pot loves me too, and sometimes we'll be having a relaxing Sunday morning together and we both want pancakes. But I've been reading more and more on the internet about people trying out Instant Pot pancakes. Doesn't that sound fantastic? No, it doesn't, kind of. Like, why would you make pancakes in an Instant Pot other than the fact that Instant Pot is really great with everything? All hail Instant Pot. And I will note that I have tested this before. It flopped every time, so that could easily happen again today. And also I will caveat that I am making gluten-free pancakes because I can't. My body's stupid. Actually, no, be nice to yourself. Your body isn't stupid. Your body's going through some things. We're working with a gluten-free mix. In this case, we're going with a little bit of tapioca flour and in here, coconut flour. And we're gonna be using banana milk here. Also, my body doesn't like dairy. And we're using almond milk in the other. It's awful having a body sometimes, Instant Pot. Be happy about your situation in life. To each of these, adding salt, sugar, and baking powder. We've got some just really fantastic organic maple syrup, half into this and half into here. There we go. Almond milk into the almond flour and coconut mixture. Whisk might not have been the best tool for this. That's okay, we live, we learn, we forgive ourselves. Banana milk, have you ever worked with banana milk? It's bananas. People get really crazy about nut milks. I find that disturbing to say. Nut milk, nut milk, nut milk, nut milk. It's science, it's fun. I'm gonna whip some egg whites. Next, I'm just gonna fold about half of this into the mixture. This way there's a lot of air in there. What I'm trying to get to, and what the internet has gone really kooky about, are these big, fluffy, tall, Japanese style pancakes. So Instagrammable. I'm not looking for too much beauty here. I'm just looking for a pancake that doesn't make me sad. It was so depressing when this didn't work. It just flopped. It flopped and my heart sank and I felt like I let Instant Pot down. I don't want to let you down, Instant Pot, though we were in this together. Starting to realize that. It's my life too, Instant Pot. Let's have a baby. How to separate out the pancake batters. Here you go, we're gonna work with these ring molds. Just gonna spritz up the inside of the Instant Pot so our friends here don't stick. Toward the front is tapioca, and toward the back is coconut flour. The batter's running out just a tiny bit. It's not too bad. Here we go. Just gonna take this to low pressure. Instant Pot, make me some pancakes. Okay, it's pancake time. And I was thinking about it. I was gonna say that I'm really nervous about what's going on in the Instant Pot, but with everything going on in the world right now, the least of our problems is if there are pancakes in here. Moment of truth. We've achieved fluffiness. Okay, we've lost the bottom layer. That is okay. Honestly, I expected to open that up and just have pancake blobs everywhere, which, you know, again, there are worse things happening in the world. Actual blobs. Woo! That's not a pancake, and yet it is still something. Ooh, self, don't burn, self. Instant Pot doesn't have to worry about burning itself. Just my heart. Ooh, crumbly mess. Okay. What have we learned here today? Just because you can doesn't necessarily mean you ought to. This is fine. This is great. If I were serving it in the manner of one of those lovely, fluffy Japanese pancakes, I'd do a little bit of surgery to it first. It would take a little bit more doing. It's a little floppy. Can you make a Japanese style pancake in the Instant Pot? Yes. It takes 50 minutes. I popped these beauties into the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Draw your own conclusions. Just because you can doesn't mean you ought. Knowing that you can is pretty great. From Instant Pot and me, happy pancaking!